Today we're here in pretty much a city terrace area, and we have this backhoe that flipped. We actually got this job with city terrace, so I'm just waiting for them to show up. Had to back down this really steep hill. I think this guy was trying to turn around or something. Was probably going a little too fast, and with the grade, pretty much being a 45, it flipped it. Is there some sort of lock on it? I was just making sure that it wasn't, what do you call it, that the wheels were loose, but it looks like they're locked.
One of the wheels, I think, come out the beam. I think it was this bottom one. On the
front. No, I was talking about the ones in the back. Because those are the ones that hold the brake, right?
I believe so. Yeah, these two should be good.
Okay.
Back tires.
10-4. You guys gonna drive it out, or?
I think we're gonna sit for a bit.
Yeah, set for a bit, and then you guys gonna drive it down, right? It's easier to go downhill than uphill.
Yeah, I don't know, because here it's even steeper than this.
Yeah, I know.
So I don't know how they.
You guys try to make a turn and it flipped, huh?
I was up there.
Oh, that was the operator?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna ask, maybe there's a possibility you guys could kind of like move over and face it this way, because I don't think I'll be able to go back up there. I'll try, but I doubt it. There's a street down there, so I was like, oh, maybe I'll just coast it down there. I'll see right now.
I'll take a look down there because it's pretty steep.
I checked it out from both ways before I got the pictures. So I know down there, obviously there's a little curve around there, but going downhill is a lot easier than going uphill, especially with the weight of the truck.
The road right there is pretty tight.
Yeah, ask him. I'll hold it. That way it doesn't tip over. That way when he turns and stuff like that, I'm stabilizing the rear and he could just get it straight.
Let me go ask him.
All right, thanks, man. Hello. Any word? Sorry. Yeah, any word on moving it?
They don't want to start it.
Not start it, but you can just turn on controls and go sit down, so I can get around and just go downhill.
You can't do that. I mean, it has the electric brake, so it has to be started in order for it to unbrake itself.
Electric brakes?
Well, what are those brakes? What
Hydraulic?
Are they hydraulic brakes?
Oh, they might be hydraulic.
We just can't turn the key.
All right.
Damn, you got all that on video?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna, disconnect. And if you guys want to brace it or something before I disconnect, the only reason why, just so you guys can kind of correct the angle. But if you guys don't, then.
What trucks are that? Little trucks? She just called you on Friday.
You guys did. You guys called me, and I guess you guys didn't like the quote or something. So you guys called them, but they still called us.
I don't know, but the company who came out, we sent them pictures and everything.
Yeah.
And they sent out the little tow truck.
Okay.
And homeboy stopped right here, walked down, came back up, got in his truck and took off.
Because it's hard, because that's pretty much what we have. We have heavy duty trucks like this one and rotators. But when we scoped it out, I've been here before, and I popped up the same company with the trash trucks up here.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah, so this one is the smallest truck we can get in there.
Well, I follow one.
It's a wheel lift at the same time. Which one?
I've seen the one that you guys do.
Oh, okay.
I saw you guys. I've seen you guys on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
I told you, I call Pepe, dog.
Yeah, we did some heavy stuff. If you want, put it on the front.
Hold it right there.
Slides from the front. You're good. What's up, man? I think so. I just struggled to get around that truck because there's a water meter on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
But I think I will. I just have to build up enough speed. Once I have momentum, I won't let go. I just have to go through.
Gun it and go on.
Gun it and go. I was kind of hoping it would start and move out of the way so I go downhill, but I don't think so. They don't want to start it because I guess the oil, which makes sense. That way there's no bent rods.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
You want the Action 6?
What happened?
You want the Action 6?
Yeah.
Is it better than a GoPro?
Way better than GoPro. Yeah, GoPro sucks.
I know, doing down there. Was it hard to roll it over?
It was sliding a lot, but once I chalked it, once it grabbed, it started pulling it over little by little. I was floating a little bit, but it wasn't too bad.
The front end?
Huh?
The front end was going
That corner, just because of the grade.
Yeah, right.
Just because of the grade.
What is their plan? Do they want to try to get it running?
I guess they're gonna try to get it running, but they don't want to turn it on.
Yeah, that's
Because if they turn it on, they'll bend the valves with all that oil. It's been sitting there for a couple of days.
yeah.
I'm sure the intake is soaked, so it's better just to leave it like that. But I told them just to turn on the key and turn on the electric parking brake and kind of coast it.
That's what I was thinking too.
But they don't want to turn it for.
Yeah.
I guess they want the company to work on it. So I'm fine with that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, because I can't go
Want
backwards.
to just run the snatch block, not the snatch block, the cable now? I don't want you to break or drag mine.
You came down fine?
I came down fine. Like I just said, just that truck that's in the way. Just a truck right there.
Yeah.
The truck is sticking out a little bit.
Worst case scenario, we could go up a little and move him out and go
down.
that. If that's the worst case scenario, right? I'll just
Yeah.
pull him, but they seem to be fine with it being here. I thought we were gonna take it all the way out.
Yeah, they want to leave it here because of the company.
Yeah.
Makes sense. That's usually what they do. You flip them and then they come and
they leave them there, right?
fix them and then they just drive them out.
So we'll get you to the pad and we'll go from there.
Yeah, okay. Let me try it. The hole, yeah. El hoyo, huh?
Yeah, the regular truck would struggle on that, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I don't need to get out.
I have my axles locked too, so.
It doesn't help with that legs hitting when you're going.
Yeah, the hole right there, that's what it catches. All the momentum I build kills it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Almost there. That or we get you back and we put some wood. Because that's the problem right there, that little hole.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
It's on the other side.
The other side?
Yeah, on the first box. Yeah, like those. Is it flat?
If I could get you here, we could pull it. I can get you down that way. Where's the shingle?
Oh, it goes right there. Any spot? Yeah, anywhere.
I'm gonna walk. Have you come up this way already?
This way from the bottom? No.
I'm gonna go see if that's better.
Okay.
Drop.
Go for it. Yeah, I'll probably wait for the other truck. Makes more sense.
It's gonna be too much to do like that.
Fix that thing again? I will. Just put the cover back on. That's not gonna swing. You don't have to put it on the top. As long as the cover's on. Out. Good. Huh?
To walk it down slowly so it gets not so much as a grade. It would be in the best interest of
Oh,
your account,
oh, I see why. Fighting the.
right? It just caught right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it barely caught. Hey, you guys don't think it would be in your best interest to try to go down slow?
He doesn't want to touch it.
Yeah, we don't want to start it.
Yeah, he doesn't want to touch it.
He's gonna come. He's gonna check out the fluid, and the brake won't release without.
Yeah, it won't release. Yeah, it's not a big deal.
All right.
What I'm fighting is that right there. There it is. There it is. Is that cool right there? Yeah? You guys chalked it?
Yeah, you're good.
Good. Go for it. There it is. The battery's dead. You guys don't have a jump box, huh?
Let me ask him. I have her. Hey, Okay, this nice and straight, but do you happen to have a jump box in that truck? I don't think you can. Just jump.
Yeah, might have to. Will it reach or I have to back up? Back up a little bit? All right. So we have City Terrorists pretty much holding the truck here as a dead man as we winch up this unit. It was, huh?
Not a lot.
Did he put his spades? Yeah? Now that I winched it straight, we're connecting the auxiliary power to see if the unit starts. That's dead. Let it charge up a bit. We wanted to kick over right now. It bent the pipe.
Yeah, I know. I was like, other than that, I mean, it doesn't really look like that much damage, you know? Other than the pipe, the cage is probably compromised for sure. He's bringing a jumper box.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, he's bringing it from the shop though, so it's
Oh. He's gonna take a... Hello? Hey, fool. Hey, you think you could send someone with my jump boxes? So on top of my toolbox, the one next to Angie's room, you'll see them, the two top ones. There's a little one and then the one right on top, the big one. I have my guys that's coming with two jump boxes too.
Yeah,
those no-goes, yeah, just in case. If you guys winch me up to that, I could probably come around here. Yeah, I'll be able to get on from here. Yeah. No worries. I wanted to throw it in there. I'll put it in a flipper anyways. Tell him just to winch me up far enough so I could come around this edge.
Yeah.
Let me pull me up a little bit further up.
Wait, a little bit further, you said. Don't give it gas. Yeah, I know.
It is, huh?
I've been down here before and went outside and got myself too.
Yeah. Right here, it's super tight, fool.
Where'd I put the jump box?
This fool's wanted to start it, so we'll take him down there and see if he moves the machine, but I doubt he will, though.
Like all of them way there.
Okay.
It's tight.
I know.
I brought the Aston and even then I was
The Aston off-roading? Right here, your dad's just gonna connect the cable, no, directly?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I think the cable didn't. Yeah, I think it did make it like somewhere around here.
Yeah? Yeah. Gracias.
Watch at the end, watch. Here goes your Modelo. Watch.
Ah, sure, sure. Yeah. Oh, thank you, appreciate it. Dude, I thought you were gonna bring your ass in over here.
Dude, I was booking it,
You're smashing up here?
but then it gets to a point where like 2 cars can't fit. I was like, good thing everyone come in had trucks and they went off road.
Shh. Watch I get stuck here.
I got called like 45.
Dude, he was blowing me up.
I don't need that. Like just this thing with status updates.
Do you know what one day we should do? We should do like an AI thing where we have like a Hulk and have it flip and send it to him.
Heart attack.
Yeah, dude.
By the time we tell them it's a joke, the company sold and dissolved. The shit is gone.
You should do it, fool.
Halfway to Africa.
Have you seen those like those IG things where like you should make it out of like, oh, daddy, I flipped the truck. Hey, dad, I did something. And the dad's like having a heart attack.
Thank you, bro.
No worries, don't worry about it.
Appreciate it.
My edge over here. Hopefully I don't slip here. Take it super wide. The Aston. Oh. Brought the Aston, the winch out. What are you doing up there? Who lives up there? You guys need help putting stuff away?
Nah. He's just undoing his mistake.
Oh, I know, you never knot the slings.
That's what we're telling him about. He don't listen.
So you don't knot the slings.
But we got him.
Oh, there it is.
Stubborn, bro. This is the most stubborn.
Well, I'm not hurting.
That's what you get.
Cool. Thank you, man.
How's it going, boss? We could barrel roll this. Get right next to it so we don't take up any other lanes. No, I know, but where those cop cars are on this end, we'll kill that lane, park next to it, barrel roll it. So we're waiting for a closure right here. I guess she was turning. You gotta figure though, how fast do you have to be turning to go from there to there and it flips? We got this closure. Let me just park and get out. Where'd the driver go?
Over there. That's not.
Excuse me, miss. So JB Hunt, do you know who I can get in touch with to see if they can send an empty chassis?
I'm on the phone with I always have 2 phones with safety.
Because I didn't know what we're gonna do with this. Whether we tow it back to my yard and impound it, they're gonna want it at the local terminal. If they can bring me an empty chassis.
Yeah.
Let me know when you get a hold of them so I can speak to them. I'll be right here.
TikTok?
Huh?
TikTok?
No, it's for YouTube.
No, I had to get pictures for.
Yeah, but you cannot stay in that
For-
work area.
Are you? Were you able to get a hold of someone?
Yeah, they're sending a chassis right over.
Okay, good. Hello?
Yeah, I know. My question.
Yeah, Dad, we're on scene. It's on Tollbook.
Hey, Lois, they're gonna bring a chassis.
Okay. So that solves the issue of the container.
Yeah.
That's not roadworthy.
Tractor.
Well, check this out. Maybe we could tow one of them and have. Maybe you could tow one and he could tow the other.
What happened? Maybe when you separate, maybe I can do both things.
No.
No? You don't think?
The last 5 I've done, there's just too much tension in that. It's not possible,
So
man.
the chassis to the tractor, whichever way.
It's too tweaked. I guarantee you.
Well, we gotta get the pressure off of there first. So.
Let's take it out from the back, Dave.
Yeah?
Yeah. What I'll do is I'll start with my line of action way over there. Prevent it from trying to get into me.
Okay.
If that doesn't work, then we'll try the method I've been doing from the front. So first steps first, obviously, is we separate everything. But as always, there's so much damn tension right there. The chassis wants to go back to its original position, so once we get rid of those locks, that thing's gonna slam. Sometimes this process can take like 5 minutes, sometimes it can take half an hour. I hope it's an easy one. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna come off. I don't think they're gonna come off from back here, dude. It's already at a. It's too far. It's too far apart.
So let's just
My method up there.
we'll bring it back and then hold it in there.
Okay.
Don't worry about the chassis. Once you push it out, then you worry about it.
I'm good. Damn, if cutting it close was a person. Now on this part I can be short jacked. That's when you don't fully blow out your outrigger because I'm only going to be controlling the front of the chassis. That's good.
Okay, free.
Okay, you can let it go. So I don't know if I'm a fan of this idea, Ricardo, but I'm gonna try your method. I'm gonna put a frame grab hook under here so I could pull it, right? And then with this one, I'm gonna drop it here and I'm gonna pull the chassis. Just put a chain on it so it can't slam that way. That one goes underneath the frame and I'm gonna get you a hook. Yeah, since we're gonna be lifting it up, even it out. No. Put the frame, the grab hook under the frame. Right there's good. And then I'm gonna give you that one, Ricardo. Hey Dave, you like that jawbone? Okay, and then just put the line in here. Go for it, I'm gonna get another blue hook. Okay guys, I didn't catch it on video. Idiot, I wasn't recording. I used Ricardo's idea of putting pressure up here to go up, and then I use my auxiliary line to keep that down so we can separate it. There we go. Beautiful. Now this is where the red line comes in. Hold on.
Hold on. I think this one's good, bro. Just lift up now. Release this one. Hold on.
You're good. Take it off, Dave. How do you like this plan?
Yeah.
Now I push it all the way out so we can get the back locks undone. That's why. Look at that. Close the gap. And you guys see now I close that separation. Good. Now we won't have to worry about it violently slamming. Hey, while you do that, I'm gonna start taking out my deck winch, bro. What's up, compa? All right.
Sarge wants to know, what do you think an ETA like for all this?
Okay, that took way faster than I thought, man. That could give us an issue. That could be anywhere between 2 minutes to 10 minutes, an hour.
An hour?
Let's go 60 to 90. 90 on the safe side, man.
An hour. Okay, sounds good.
60 to 90. Holding. So Dave's just trying to get the bottom pin undone now. Nada?
Nothing, bro. That's tight.
I got an idea, bro. What if I lift
Lift up right here. Is it even? You see, it's apart.
It's apart?
Yeah, you see? It's too far apart, that's why. Try to bring it out. Like, put this closer to here.
All right, let me rotate it. This way. It's already touching the freaking, it's already touching the freaking, good?
It's too much tension on it, bro.
Okay, then let me try to rotate.
Whatever, just release right there and grab the box.
That's the best we're gonna do. We'll try that. I bought it this way more. If not, I got one more option. I'm gonna have to re-rig and just pick up here. It's tight. Yeah. One. Okay, that should be good. Let me extend out.
Yeah, have the little stuff right there. You guys already set them up.
Okay.
Step right there.
Okay, Dave, what do you think? Put a block. They're up top though. So this worked great. Now I'm gonna reattach it to the back of the truck, use the deck winch, and spike the rear chassis because they've got the locks undone finally, but the pins are obviously still in there. So we're gonna slide the chassis out from the container first. The top lock, Dave. It's not unlocked. It is?
Yes. So just pull it from here now.
Okay. Let me just slide it more.
Have to be, needs to go a little bit up.
So it's not released?
It's in the position to be released, but it's holding in one corner.
This way?
Yeah. No, you need. Fine.
Okay, good. Man!
Just small corner to hold it.
right there's good. So you guys see how twisted this freaking chassis is? Ugly. Now it's prime for Ricardo to tow. What's up, bro? How's it going, you? My bad, man. I'm in the zone.
Yeah. I saw you at the one.
I know. I saw you. I saw the post you did. So check it out, guys. I got almost no tension, and look how crooked it's sitting. There you go. Right there. More? That's good. Extend out. More, more, more. That's one way to do it. That'll get you forward for now. It ain't gonna come apart. Just throw an airline, Ricardo, and you're good to go. You can finish doing it right here. Hey, boss, you know where the driver for that is? He in this truck?
He's in his truck. He's waiting.
Okay. Don't mind me, guys. Streamer coming through. Streamer / rotator operator.
Okay.
Huh?
I got a chassis out. They're gonna put it on?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on. So this is what we're gonna do, man. That chassis destroyed. That's why you're here. We're almost done hooking it up to get it out of the way. Once that tow truck, you'll see it. It'll start moving all those lights. Once he starts pulling forward, that's your cue to go forward, and you're gonna take his spot. That way, by the time we get the container upright and in the air, you're already right there. Okay?
Oh, I follow you guys on YouTube.
You follow me on YouTube?
Yeah, Pepe's towing.
Right here, bro. You're gonna be on it.
Yeah, all right.
Of course.
Yeah.
Just be careful. There's gremlins right there. Right there.
All right, man.
Gremlins. This guy's all serious. But yeah, buddy, just wait until I told the cop to move.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the cop to give me the green light. Yeah.
That'll be your cue.
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
You're God. Come out and say you're God. Yeah.
What the? That was weird. Bro, is this like the live streaming section? Is this the live streaming section? Who's got the biggest stream right now?
Probably you.
I got 17.5 thousand.
Yeah, for you.
I would hope so. Go all the way, boss, all the way. Oh, now it's showtime. Now this is the freaking easy part, man. Heavy loaded containers. What's up? That's pretty cool, guys. So they're watching my live, but why are you watching it on the phone if you're right here? Dude, that's hilarious. They're watching my live in their car, 50 feet away from the actual scene. What's up, bro?
Go further back.
Throw it back for me, yeah? funny enough is the overloaded or very heavy or super heavy containers. This is the easy part. Nothing easier than this, man. You got 4 easy lift points, 2 strong trucks. Beautiful. Alex mode activated. What's up, bro? Doing good. Appreciate that. I remember on the last Downey one when you were here, I told you I was barely getting into TikTok. I had like 13,000 followers then. Yeah. I'm like at 46 now.
That's good, man. Good. I was at Mike's with
Fun. We went on a little vacay. Look at that. All the way back. Back. More. See, I told you the container was the easy part, man.
Yeah, let me double check this.
All right, guys are gonna double check all his locks.
I'm not that driver.
You're gonna be in the thumbnail. What do you mean? I'm just kidding, man. Hey, just really quick, you got zip ties? I would put zip ties on those front pins. They jiggle out a lot. I don't gotta tell you, but no hard braking, no fast turning, man. Keep it steady. Stay off the phone. Or then you'll be in my video for sure. No, we're still attached. Yeah, he's got to take off the rigging. Hey, this guy was about to take off right now with all the rigging, bro. Another successful job between Hulk 1.0 and Hulk 2. I really gotta stop calling it Hulk 1.0. That's Dave's truck now. And boy, is he quite good at it. What do you guys think? You gotta love the Baileys, baby. Nothing easier and faster. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, yes, I'm doing this with one hand. Whoa. And in case you're really wondering, yes, that's very dangerous. Not much to it from here. Driver took off. It looks a lot better now that he went forward. We're gonna be towing the tractor because the rear axle and the tires. Ricardo's got the chassis. Hulk 1.0, I mean 55. Bro, I keep calling this truck Hulk 1.0. It's like naked, it's 55N, 55 naked. 55 naked. When do you think the minions are gonna be able to do the paint job? They're gonna be dope. Once you get the paint job, I won't even hesitate to call it 1.0 anymore, man. That's mine? Okay. Thank you, Ricardo. Yeah, because we got the tractor and the chassis and it's JB Hunt. I ain't worried. Nice. So what, the driver booked it? Oh, snaps. Where are we taking this? They called already? We'll just get an email and a PO and I'll authorize it. We'll drop it. I'll tell Ricardo. All jacked up, man. So all you super fans, what number is this? By number, I mean rollovers where the container's on the side, the rear's on the side, but the front is attached to the tractor, which is upright. I remember the first time I saw that, I was like, whoa, that's rare. But now it keeps happening all the time. Oh shoot, he's done. He's been ready. Dave's ready. We're out of here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one with Unit 55, not Hulk 1.0, and Hulk, not Hulk 2.0. Peace.